This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Jason Marsh. Welcome to this enchanting one-bedroom, one-bathroom cabin, a serene retreat nestled in the woods. This inviting home offers a tranquil escape, complete with a spacious detached garage featuring an integrated workshop, ideal for pursuing hobbies or additional storage needs. Conveniently located just minutes from downtown Murphy, you'll enjoy effortless access to various shops and dining options. Whether you seek a charming primary residence, a cozy second home, or an attractive short-term rental, this cabin presents an exceptional opportunity. For more information, review the details below or contact Jason Marsh at 706-632-7311.